welcome to your YouTube channel Atri Academy. Today we will discuss matrices, which is the third chapter of 12th class. So in the series of learning, let us learn together, and today's our topic is transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? Transpose of a matrix. Let A be any matrix Aij having order m cross n. Then the matrix obtaining by interchanging rows into columns. It means the matrix obtaining by interchanging rows into column is said to be transpose of a matrix. What it means? It means, let us suppose that A be any matrix of order 2 cross 2. Then what is the transpose of A? Transpose of A means symbol of transpose. Symbol of transpose A transpose, or you can write A transpose. These are the notation of transpose. What is A transpose? Interchange row into column. First row is 1, 2. Write down this row into columns. This is R1 first row, and write down in C1 first column. Second, pick up second row and write down in second column. This matrix having order 2 cross 2 is said to be transpose of the matrix A. Is said to be transpose of a matrix. When you interchange rows into columns, then the new matrix is said to be transpose of the old matrix. Okay. Now we discuss properties of transpose. Properties of transpose. First one is A, matrix A, its transpose to transpose means 2 times transpose is equal to matrix itself. When you suppose matrix A, B, C, D, having elements A, B, C, D. What is transpose of matrix A, B, C and D. Write down these row into column. This is said to be transpose of A. Again transpose of A transpose is equal to, again you have to write down first row into first column and second row into second column, and this is again matrix A. So you can say that transpose of matrix is equal to matrix itself. Now second property is K of A, its transpose is equal to K into A transpose. K is any constant means यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या है? Transpose of Ka. What is K? K is any constant is equal to K into A transpose. मीन्स आपके पास किसी मैट्रिक्स की हम कांस्टेंट से मल्टीप्लाई करें और फिर उसका ट्रांसपोज ले तो किसके इक्वल होगा? A into ट्रांसपोज ऑफ मैट्रिक्स ए। इट मींस कि आपके पास कोई कांस्टेंट है, उस पे ट्रांसपोज का कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा। सिर्फ आपके पास मैट्रिक्स है, उसकी रोज है वो कॉलम्स में चेंज हो जाएंगे, कॉलम्स है वो रोज में चेंज हो जाएंगे। नाउ थर्ड प्रॉपर्टी इज A and B are two matrices. Adding them A plus B, its transpose is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. And the fourth property is multiply two matrices A and B and find out its transpose, which is always equal to B transpose into A transpose. Means यहाँ पे आपके पास क्या होगा, अगर आपके पास एडिशन में है दो मैट्रिसेस तो इनका ट्रांसपोज क्या हो जाएगा, अलग अलग हो जाएंगी। ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए प्लस ट्रांसपोज ऑफ बी। ओके, व्हेन टू मैट्रिसेस आर इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन, जब आपके पास टू मैट्रिसेस है वो मल्टीप्लिकेशन में है तो ट्रांसपोज जब हम खोलेंगे तो मतलब बैक से स्टार्ट होगा। ओके, पीछे से स्टार्ट हो जाएगा। जो लास्ट में जो सेकंड मैट्रिक्स है बी, पहले उसका ट्रांसपोज आएगा फिर फर्स्ट वाले मैट्रिक्स का ट्रांसपोज आएगा। ओके, now these are the properties of a transpose. Now next is symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? A scarce matrix. First of all, A would be square matrix. What is square matrix? A matrix having number of columns equal to number of rows. Number of columns equal to number of rows in a matrix is said to be a square matrix. A square matrix Aij is said to be symmetric matrix if A is equal to A transpose. It means a square matrix A is said to be symmetric. When you said matrix A is symmetric matrix if matrix A satisfies the condition and the condition is A is equal to A transpose, means when you change rows into column then matrix will be same as it is as A. means आपके पास कोई मैट्रिक्स ली हमने और उसकी रोज को हमने कॉलम्स में चेंज किया तो कोई इफेक्ट ही ना पड़े, सेम एज इट इज मैट्रिक्स आ जाए, तो वो क्या हो गया आपके पास सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। लेट अस टेक एग्जांपल and the example is this is the example of symmetric matrix. Write down its transpose of matrix A is equal to, pick up first row and write down in first column, second row as B Z in second column and third row is equal to in third column, write down in third column and you get which is equal to matrix itself. Transpose of a matrix is equal to matrix itself. In this case we can say that matrix A is symmetric matrix. इस टाइप की मैट्रिक्स में आप क्या करेंगे, आपके पास सबसे पहले आप क्या करेंगे, डायगोनल्स राइट डाउन करेंगे। ओके, यानी कि A11, A22 and A33 एलिमेंट्स राइट डाउन करेंगे। In the order of matrix will be 3 cross 3. In 3 cross 3 matrix, first of all we write down diagonal elements of matrix. Then write down A12 element is equal to A21 element. A13 element is equal to A31 element and A23 element is equal to A32 element. In this case, A13 element is equal to A31 element and A23 element is equal to A23 element. अगर आप इस टाइप से किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को राइट डाउन करेंगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, एग्जांपल ऑफ सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। ये आपके पास है कि हाउ वी फॉर्म ए सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स। स्क्यू सिमेट्रिक मैट्रिक्स, a square matrix Aij is said to be if transpose of A is equal to minus A, it means when transpose of a matrix is equal to negative time of matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix. It means suppose matrix A, I, J, I for rows, number of rows, and this is column. A transpose means A J I is equal to negative time A I J. You can write this same in this form A J I. This transpose in transpose rows convert into column and column into rows. A J I is equal to negative time A I J. If when I is equal to J, then I is equal to negative time I plus I is equal to 0, means 2 times of I is equal to 0, means I is equal to 0. What does it mean? It means I means number of rows. I is equal to J means A11, A22, A33 and so on. Means if you have a matrix of order 2 cross 2, diagonal elements A11 and A22 means diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal elements are 0. When you form a skew symmetric matrix, always diagonal elements should be 0 and non-diagonal elements are not equal to 0. Means diagonal element A11 and A22 is equal to 0 and non-diagonal elements are non-zero. Now find out its transpose. Transpose of matrix A is equal to 0, A minus A and 0. Taking negative common, negative time 0 minus A, minus of A and 0, which is equal to minus of matrix A. Means A transpose is equal to minus A. In this case, we can say that matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. Matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. When we interchange rows into column and columns into rows, we get negative time of a matrix, negative time of same matrix A. In this case, we can say that matrix A is skew symmetric matrix, and that is the property of skew symmetric matrix, that diagonal elements of a skew symmetric matrix are always equal to 0. Now next is, now we solve the problems of exercise 3.3, and the first problem is given that transpose of a matrix is 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. It is transpose of a matrix. And what is matrix? Matrix A is equal to first row, write down in first column, minus 1, 2 and 0, 1. And also given matrix B, which is equal to minus 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. We have to verify in first part A plus B, its transpose is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. So first we put left hand side A plus B, its transpose. First we solve A plus B, its transpose. So first we add A plus B. Matrix A 3, 4, minus 1, 2, 0, 1. Putting sign of addition, minus 1, 1, 2, 2, 1 and 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Minus 1 plus 2, 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2 plus 2 4 and 1 plus 3 4. Now we find A plus B, its transpose. Pick up first row and write in first column. Second row, write down in second column. That is transpose of A plus B. Now we solve right hand side, and the right hand side is transpose of A plus transpose of B. What is the transpose of A is given? 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. And what is transpose of B? Transpose of B, first row is minus 1 2 1, minus 1 2 1 and 1 2 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. 4 plus 1 5, minus 1 plus 2 1. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 0 plus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. That is left hand side and that is right hand side. So we can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hence verified that A plus B, its transpose is equal to transpose of A plus transpose of B. Now the second part is A minus B, its transpose is equal to transpose of A B minus transpose of B. Transpose of A minus transpose of B. First we solve left hand side. A minus B, its transpose. First we find out A minus B, which is equal to A is pick up first row 3 minus 1 0 4 2 1. Negative time of B minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. 3 minus minus plus 3 plus 1 4. Minus 1 minus 2 which is equal to minus 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 4 minus 1 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0 and 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. Now we find out transpose of A minus B. A minus B, its transpose is equal to first row. We pick up first row and write down in first column 3 0 minus 2. That is our left hand side. Now we solve right hand side. Transpose of A minus transpose of B, and the transpose of A is given 3 4 minus 1 2 0 1. Negative time transpose of B, which is equal to minus 1 2 1 1 2 3. Now we solve 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 minus 1 3 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 3 minus 2. That is our left hand side and that is our right hand side. You can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we can say that A minus B, its transpose is equal to transpose of A minus transpose of B. Now we solve question second. Second problem is given matrix A which is equal to sin alpha, cos of alpha, negative time cos of alpha and sin of alpha. We have to verify transpose of A into A is equal to identity matrix I. That is matrix A. Transpose of matrix A is equal to sin of alpha. Here we write down cos of alpha, negative time cos of alpha and sin of alpha. It is transpose of A. Now left hand side, A transpose into A is equal to, write down the value of A transpose, which is equal to sin alpha negative time cos of alpha and sin of alpha. Then the value of matrix A, sin alpha negative time cos of alpha and sin of alpha. Now we multiply these two matrices, transpose of A into A. First we pick up first row and multiply with first column. R1 multiply with C1. Sin alpha into sin alpha, sin square alpha, negative positive cos alpha into cos alpha, cos square alpha. Now R1 multiply R1 to C2, that is C2. Sin alpha into cos of alpha, negative time cos of alpha into sin alpha. Now we pick up second row and multiply with first column, cos alpha into sin alpha, cos of alpha into sin of alpha, positive negative sin alpha into cos alpha. Second row to second column we multiply R2 to C2, cos square alpha, positive time sin square alpha, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Sin alpha into cos alpha, cancel out. Here cos alpha into sin alpha, cancel out. Cos square theta plus sin square theta always equal to 1. Now 1 0 0 1, which is equal to identity matrix I. So that is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. We can say that hence verified that transpose of a matrix A into matrix A is equal to identity matrix I. Now third problem is matrix A is given and the matrix is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. We have to show that matrix A is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. What is skew symmetric matrix? Transpose of matrix is equal to negative time of matrix itself. Means transpose of A is equal to minus A. Is said to be skew symmetric matrix when the transpose of a matrix is equal to negative time of that matrix. In this case, you can say that the given matrix is skew symmetric matrix. So first we find out transpose of matrix A, which is equal to first row we pick up and write down in first column, that is 0 1 minus 1 minus 1 0 1 1 minus 1 0. That is transpose of matrix A. Now we take negative common, 0 minus 1 1 1 0 minus 1 minus 1 1 0, that is equal to minus of A. So we find transpose of matrix A is equal to negative time of matrix itself. Then in this case we can say that matrix A is skew symmetric matrix. Now the next problem.